Hello and welcome to this video about daily ads, where it's going to be explained for beginners with no confusion. So a lot of people hear about daily ads, but they don't actually understand what it is or how it works. Because of that, a lot of folks either ignore it as some shiny object, like the next shiny object of the week, or they get in here, look at it on the front page, and overthink it to death. So I'm going to make this real simple. Daily ads isn't some complicated system that you need weeks and weeks to figure out. It's not something where you need a whole bunch of technical know-how and experience in setting things up. Pretty much, if you can copy and paste, you're good to go, because at its core, daily ads is one thing. It is a way to get you consistent visibility. And what I mean by that is it's a way to make sure that every single day, your links, your content, your offers are getting in front of people. And there's a variety of ways this happens in daily ads. And that's what most people are missing. They're doing things randomly, posting here and there on a bunch of different places where they have to do it over and over again every day, trying different platforms, but nothing is happening consistently. And without consistency, nothing builds for you. Okay? No momentum, no data that you can go on to see what's working, what's not, and no progress. So what daily ads does is it removes that problem for you. Instead of wondering if anything's happening today, you know something's happening. You're getting exposure every day, 24/7, 365, in a variety of ways that daily ads offers. So when you're getting consistent daily exposure, that can change everything, because now you're not starting from ground zero. You're building on top of something. Now your efforts actually stack, and once you have that, everything else becomes easier. Your content performs better, you get more clicks to your links, you start seeing what is working and what is not, and you can actually improve upon it and use what's working, repeat what is working for you, and cut out the stuff that isn't. And you can actually improve. But that all starts with that foundation, which Daily Ad does provide. It's called consistent visibility. That's why I keep it simple. I try not to overcomplicate it. I try not to do 15, 20 strategies at once. Daily ads just makes sure that I can make it simple every single day and know that something's happening. That's the baseline. That's what allows everything else to grow. So if you've been confused about daily ads or if you've been overthinking it, we're going to look at it for what it is. And it's a simple way to get consistent exposure. That's all it is. And I'm actually going to show you an example. So right here in daily ads, which you can join for free, and you can choose to upgrade, whatnot. That's up to you. Bronze level is $10 a month. Silver level is $27 a month. I'll let you decide that for yourself. But what I'm saying is you can get in here as a free member. Poke around in this left-hand side menu. You can't break it. Read every dang page you have available to you and see what is on deck to help you get more eyeballs to your offers. So again, I'm going to show you when you get in here for free. You go down here, 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces down, and you're going to look at what's called Daily Builder. You're going to click on this, and here's the thing. A lot of people online in the make money online niche, affiliate marketers, network marketers, all that kind of stuff are in a lot of these businesses, and one of the first things they have is called a Daily Builder program. Okay? And you'll come down here and you will see programs such as OLSP, Udemy, Leads Leap, My Lead Gen Secret, 3 Leads a Day, Herculist, Bazillion Club, Wise, Thinking into Reality, Live Good, Biggest Business Opportunity, Lead Lightning, and Wealth Step by Step, and also, of course, Save Club. And so what you're going to be able to do for free when you get in here and check it out is, most likely chances are, if you're watching this video, you will possibly be someone who is a member of at least 1 or 2 of these programs already. So what you can do is you can get stuck in here, and you can take your affiliate ID, like ID only, as you can see here, not the full URL, as they say. You can put it in here and you can get it locked in. And then what you have is you actually have this become part of a link tree type link that you can advertise everywhere. So what you're doing is you're filling this out, of course. Then when you get your link tree link, you can advertise wherever you already advertise. But the other and most important thing is that once you fill this out, Daily Ads will advertise these things for you on your behalf throughout the Daily Ads platform. And to the best of my knowledge at this point in time, they also have a public side to this so that fresh eyeballs that may not already be in here, may not already have been overexposed to a bunch of things, sees your offers. So the next thing I want to show you is the link tree link. So once you've filled out your IDs here in the Daily Builder, you can go up by one and you can hit Daily Hub. Now this is where you can find your Linktree links. Once you've already put that in there, whatever you did put in there, you could choose to put less or more. And that is what the Linktree link looks like. It walks you through how to get your picture, your name, your socials, a little bit of a blurb here, and some of your hot offers. And what that does is it plugs it all into one spot, and you can go advertise this. Now, this is as a free member. God, if I could talk today. You're going to love live videos. But anyhow, what it's going to do is you're going to plug in your information like I showed you earlier. And you can see right here, this is how it looks. And you can go post that anywhere you want. You have everything you're already promoting consolidated and good to go. Also, if you choose to be a bronze member, you have the Daily Traffic Network, which daily email exposures to members, a smart rotation system for those links, real community traffic, and fully automated promotion. So what I mean by that is, for free, you get in here, set this up, and you can put it anywhere you want. And if you decide to be bronze, all these benefits here are available for you. So whatever level you want to get involved in Daily Ads at, you can benefit from their platform. And I'll give you another example of bronze feature. And we're going to go down here to banners. And as you can see, I have banners in here, and it's very simple to plug these in. They walk you through it step by step. You just get a banner URL. And if you have an affiliate program, you may already have banner URLs that are provided by your company, or if you're a little more advanced, you do them yourselves and host them somewhere. Or you're going to plug in your banner URL, and then you're going to plug in your offer link. And it shows you very plainly down here how many views and clicks you get, and they factor in your click-through rate. So that's very, very good for something that's $10 a month. I do believe this is a bronze feature. So anyhow, that is a very, very short breakdown of Daily Ads, explained for beginners with no confusion as what it has to offer. So if you think Daily Ads is something that's right for you, don't be afraid to click the link down below this video in the description. And if you found this video valuable, again, please don't be afraid to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, share this with folks. And like I said, get 24/7, 365 traffic. And no matter what you do, keep it simple, keep at it, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.